félicitations pour cette victoire que vous venez d'avoir sur le Sénégal. Alors, simplement nous dire quel enseignement tirer de ce match. So, Désiré, my congratulations for this brilliant victory you have had over Senegal. Just tell us which analysis you're going to have on this victory today.
Good afternoon. Well, we looked at the previous game and we were disappointed with ourselves because we felt we could have done better. We showed what we're capable of in the second half of the first game and we wanted to continue and keep improving. We said if we move the ball around quicker and our movement is better, we will create opportunities. And today we did that. From the first minute until the last minute, we were in control. We upped the tempo when we wanted to. We slowed the tempo down. We controlled every aspect of the game. And I think it's well deserved for the players because, you know, we had 2 days where we worked on certain things that didn't work for us in the first game. And it came together today.
Okay, thanks. Merci d'abord, je remercie, je félicite mon équipe. Vous savez, pendant le premier match, nous avons fait un match nul et on n'était pas satisfait du tout. On savait qu'on pouvait faire mieux. Et ce qu'on a fait lors du deuxième match, du début à la fin, nous avons contrôlé le match, on a exploité les espaces comme nous avons voulu le faire. Alors, raison pour laquelle on a pu gagner ce match facilement. Yeah, you have some more thing to add?
I think also we made changes, but we had absolute confidence and trust in the players that we made the changes with and obviously could bring others in. I think the game plan worked really, really well today in control all areas of the pitch. And I think if we talk about the scoreline, it could have been more because of the chances we created. But we always look for improved performances. And I think today showed the quality of our football, the way we want to play. And I think it was a very successful exercise.
Alors, nous avons voulu tourner notre équipe, vous l'avez remarqué, nous l'avons tournée. Alors, les joueuses plutôt, ont suivi les consignes. Dans tous les compartiments du jeu, nous avons maîtrisé le ballon et nous avons également fait jouer beaucoup de joueuses. Vraiment, nous sommes très satisfaits de cela.
Yes. Also to the technical staff and the players because it was a work behind the scenes that made this possible. You know, when we do our analysis, the players are all there giving input, the staff is there giving input, and I think that really helped where we got that game plan together and it worked very well today.
Alors, chapeau à notre équipe technique. Vous savez, le football, ce n'est pas le terrain seulement, mais il y a les vidéo-analystes, tout ça, et tout mon staff a beaucoup travaillé sur ça, ce qui nous a aidé également à visionner les différents matchs et avoir une bonne stratégie qui nous a permis de gagner ce match. Okay. Je prends 2 questions, yes?
Coach, 2 questions from home. The first one is, you had a draw and a win here in Senegal. Did this result matter to you as these are friendly? Of course they matter, but how much of a significance did they have?
Just let me translate the question first. Coach, 2 questions venant d'Afrique du Sud. Vous avez joué 2 matchs ici, vous avez fait un match nul et vous avez une victoire. Est-ce que vous êtes satisfaite? Quel commentaire faites-vous de ces 2 matchs que vous venez de jouer? Une victoire et un nul. Yes, go ahead.
Of course, the results matter, but it gives players confidence. It gives the team confidence. You know, we've come with a group of players that don't play regularly. So to come away with a draw, which we should have, I think, won the first game as well. Come away with a draw and a win, it says a lot for the confidence, but it also, you know, gives the players a little bit of more confidence and momentum. And of course, we're always looking at improved performances. We're always looking at doing things better all the time because at the end of the day, that's who we are and that's how we're going to play and we're not going to change that, you know. So it's important that we take the draw, but it's also important that we use that to rectify things, and today we did all of those things better, and it resulted in the 2 goals, and as I said, it could have been more.
Alors, la victoire signifie beaucoup de choses. On a eu une victoire, on a eu un match nul. Et vous voyez, le match nul n'était pas aussi mauvais que ça, mais la victoire également nous permet de nous galvaniser davantage et d'aller encore un peu plus loin. Et je trouve que c'était une bonne chose également d'avoir fait le match nul et finalement de terminer le tournoi avec une victoire. You have another question?
I have a lot of questions.
Huh?
A lot.
And then, okay, but please answer short so that I can translate easily.
How tough was it putting this team together, especially looking at the fact that you're looking into the future and obviously couldn't fall in a lot of things?
Can you repeat the question, please?
How tough was it to put this team together? And the fact that she couldn't call in the players that are overseas, just the selection of the team, how was that?
Alors, est-ce que, dites-nous, ça n'a été certainement pas facile pour vous de convoquer tous ces joueurs-là, de mettre sur place une équipe constituée de professionnels qui n'ont pas pu rejoindre. Finalement, vous avez fait appel à des joueurs locaux. Ça n'a pas été très facile, j'espère.
I don't think it was too difficult. We only called in 2 overseas-based players in Linda and Tubilikle. But the other players, most of them have been part of the squad, in and out of the squad. Some haven't played regularly, so it wasn't very difficult because we wanted to give them game time and make sure to test them, because when the overseas-based players are not available, then these players have to step up and, over these injuries, then these players have to step up. And today, I think they passed the test perfectly.
Alors, ça n'a pas été très difficile de convoquer, de mettre sur place cette sélection. C'est vrai que certaines viennent des championnats étrangers, mais il y en a d'autres qui étaient déjà dans le groupe et finalement qui n'ont pas été sélectionnés pendant les précédents matchs. On a tout simplement fait appel à ces dernières et essayé de constituer une équipe. Yeah, please, so for.
Félicitations, coach. Au vu de ce que vous avez observé et retenu de cette nouvelle convocation, pensez-vous que le Sénégal pourra faire une très bonne campagne lors de la prochaine Coupe d'Afrique des Nations?
So, coach, considering the 2 games you have played against Senegal, do you think that the Senegalese team have the capacity to move forward, to do something consistent for the African Cup of Nations?
I think you shouldn't look into the results. I think you should look into what still needs to be done and the performance. I think you have a very good team. I think you have a team that shows a lot of potential, but you've got to be adaptable in your game. You've got to be not too predictable, because you only had one plan, and that was to play long. You need to change that, maybe, but maybe that is your strength against teams, or maybe you need to perfect that. But I think there is potential. The last WAFCON, you got to the quarterfinals. You lost to Zambia. You went to the playoffs. You almost went to the World Cup. So I don't think you put your team down, because everything is a process, and not sure what the coach's plan is going forward, but it starts with a process, and then from there, you take it further. I've been with the national team since 2014, first as an assistant coach. So I've had time to work with the team. You need to give your coach time to see what he wants to do.
Je commencerai par ce qu'elle vient de dire. Donc, j'ai été avec l'équipe nationale depuis 2014. Ça veut dire que j'ai duré avec l'équipe nationale. On doit donner du temps, beaucoup de temps, beaucoup de chance au coach, qu'on doit lui laisser vraiment le temps d'être avec ses joueuses et de mieux préparer l'équipe. Alors, parlant de la prochaine Coupe d'Afrique, dès qu'elle est optimiste, elle pense que l'équipe du Sénégal est une bonne équipe. Elle est bonne. Il suffit tout simplement de changer peut-être à un certain niveau, puisqu'elle a remarqué qu'on a joué sur de longs ballons. Alors si on doit jouer sur de longs ballons, on doit le faire, on doit le parfaire. Si ça ne marche pas, on change de stratégie. Donc eux, ils ont anticipé sur les longs ballons qu'on jouait. Alors, donc, c'était facile pour elle d'anticiper. C'est un long processus, mais elle dit que le Sénégal peut aller très loin puisqu'il a de très bonnes choses.